Raja ratusan.
UMDC ka Mawlai uba Teiborlang Pathaw ula Iehnoh kam kum executive member na do mentakasngi bat ula pha ya ka shithi Iehnoh kam sha CEM ka KHASI uba penyat sing sim dang shen kinong song ka Mawlai kila khot ya ka jingelang patba ha Mawlai nong lum ha ka ba kila penslur ya u ba un Iakhun kum Kyrtong Shimet ha ka election MDC banwan kila kentu ya u ban Iehnoh ya ka seng NPP bat haba jubab ya ka jingkerpat kinong Shan uba Pathaw ula penbana bada ka baburom ya karai jong kipat ba ula penbana ba unia kun ya ka election MDC kum Kyrtong Shimet haba ai jingkran bat kilat Pathai khubor uba Pathaw ula penskem ba ula Iehnoh kam kum executive member ka KHASI bat kum udukot jong ka NPP.
That was on Saturday. There was a meeting in which my supporter and people of Mawlai was there, in which they have urged me to go as an independent candidate. They told me to leave the party and to fight as an independent candidate for Mawlai constituency. So today I have come to meet CM to submit my resignation as an executive member and to withdraw my support from the EC. That is what I have done, and then I have sent a letter to the president of the NPP Meghalaya unit also, that I have resigned as the president of Shillong City and media in charge of Meghalaya.
Kasang Hinyo Trap Youth Council